Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on notifications for Google Classroom. So before we open Google Classroom, make sure your Google Classroom is up to date on your device. So you can go to the Play Store and search for the Classroom app. And here we go, this is Google Classroom. You need to keep up to date. So here, last update is 6 December 2024. A reduced eye strain with dark theme. The Google Classroom mobile app now support dark theme. So here, Note also add a new feature. If you keep up to date, it also fix some bugs, fix some issues. So here, after the update, you have to finish the installation, and now you can open your Google Classroom. Now here, Google Classroom is a dark theme after the update. So here you can turn on a notification by go to the tap 3 stripe at the top left corner of your screen, and then go to the settings. Here there is a notification option. Choose which ones you get on this device and by email. And here, the first one, make sure a notification on your phone is enabled. By tap on this device, choose which notification you will get on this device. Tap it, and here we go. Make sure you allow this notification. So like badge, hide notification, comment on your post, and so on. You can try to turn on all notifications. And here the second section is email. Choose which notification you will get by email. So here also you can try to allow email notification, comment on your post, comments that mention you, and private comments on work. And these settings only apply to the notification you get by email. And here your classes option or section, choose which classes you will get notified about. This setting apply to notification you get both by email on this device. So you can check it out when you have or when you join a class. So feel free to try to turn on enable notification for Google Classroom on your device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.